Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time I've come in, you're welcome. My name is Jane Onovia, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a beginners friendly makeup. It's going to be a flawless bead. So I'm going to be showing you the tips, everything that I'm going to do, how I achieve the look. So if it sounds like something you want to watch, I now sit back and let's dive into the video. So first I'm going to be wiping my face with my Mascara cleansing water and make sure that my face is clean from every dirt. So next is my moisturizer. So after allowing my moisturizer set, I like to go in my favorite primer from KineMaster. So I'm going to be putting it around my nose bridge, forehead, these are the places I bring out oil. So I'm going to blend. I also take it around my brow so it mattifies the oil. If you had noticed, while I was putting on my primer, I didn't go over here and here and my under eye. When you go over your primer with on your under eye, it makes your under eye dry, and your under eye is not supposed to be dry. That is why I most times go in with my moisturizer. The under eye needs to be, moisturized, not mattified. If not, after going in with your concealer, your under eye is going to break. So that is how I do my skin prep. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my foundation, guys. So today my foundation is from Super Stay Full Coverage. So because of the dark spot I have here, I tend to go in with the full coverage foundation so I can get enough coverage on my face. You can use whatever foundation that works for you. I use a whole lot, but I would like to use this today from Super Stay Full Coverage from Maybelline Super Stay, guys. So guys, I'm going to be putting it, stipple it on my face before I blend. Then my forehead, beads. So I will try as much as possible not to blend in this under my eye because I'm still going to go in with a concealer, guys. So let's blend. Guys, are you seeing the coverage? Did you see the coverage? So guys, my concealer, I'm going to be going over with my KineMaster concealer to highlight my under eye and my T-zone area. So guys, I'm going to be doing a cream blush. So I will blend. I take it to my forehead. This sweet routine that I do in order to secure my under eye, I first of all go in with my compact powder. I take a bit, I go back to my under eye, set. This helps to control oil, especially if you are in the oily tone. So now my setting powder from X1. So when you take off the excesses. I sometimes blow, but if it is embarrassing for you to blow, just tap it at the back of your hand, tap off the excess, then you set. Going to be using the same setting powder to do like a reverse contour. This reverse contour shows me where precisely to do my contour. So I use this reverse contour to divide my face first. I'm going to still be using from my palette to do a powder contour. So the next thing I do is to go over with my blush. So I'm just going to be taking from here. This is the red one that I want to take. So I still like to take it up here, just sculpt my face, take it down here. So I'll take a little bit. I'm still going to be using the same setting, my compact powder, to set my whole face to make sure there are no harsh lines. Blend your whole face together. Blend, so that it will have same color. So guys, I'm going to be doing my nose contour. I will be using this face definer from Esther. I'll take the powder. I want to draw you in more so you can see what I'm doing. So blending brush from Elf to blend it out. Make sure you blend to avoid having a harsh line. It doesn't look nice. So make sure you blend it into your eyes. Trying to make it more defined. Guys, I'm going to go with my eyeshadow base to blend my eyes. I'll stick it in here. So blend, blend, blend. So guys, I'm going to be starting off with my eyeshadow with Blossom African Queen. So the first shade I'm going to be taking here is Lola for my transition. So guys, I'm using Fumi to darken it a bit from my lid. So I'll go over with this clean brush and blend. I'm going to be using a shimmery shadow written cheese. So I'm going to be using this my shader brush to take and tap to my lid. Tap, tap. I'll do the same to the other eye. So I'm going to be going on to do my mascara. So guys, this hack I normally do, I take my mascara and I tap it to a powder. Tap it to a powder. It helps to give your lashes volume. I tap, then going. Guys, are you seeing the volume? This is my natural lash. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to do my lips. I'm going to be using my eye pencil to do my lip liner. I'm done with my lips. I'm going to be using my powder to tap off all these excesses that are the culture, all the fall-offs that I had while I was doing my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the powder here to tap it off. So I will take a little. If you have noticed from my under eye here, I was creasing because something entered my eyes. At that process, I started tearing up. So I'm going to be using my powder to adjust that. Tap off and so the next thing I'm going to do is to go over with my setting spray. This setting spray is from Nia and is illuminating setting spray. So instead of me to go over like that with my face, because when I spray it, I'm going to be leaving all these shimmery substances all over my face. So instead, you go over with your beauty blender, then I tap it to my face. Going to use it to absorb all the oil. So I'm going to be adding my highlighter. And I like to do this to my nose, then come up with it here. So I still go in with this brush, blend it out. Let me go over more my forehead. So guys, I've come to the end of this makeup. So the next I'm going to do is to go over and curl up a wig so I will look better, you know. So guys, I'll put it up and I'll be right back. So guys, I thought I was recording. Do you know that my mic stopped recording? So I was saying thank you for watching. Thank you for staying up to this moment. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your thoughts on the comment section, and turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified when I put up a new video. So that is what I was saying in there, and I'll bring more videos your way. Until then, see you guys and bye.